Want to reopen Instagram photo messages? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily reopen the photo messages on Instagram. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in into a specific account, it will land you on this page. Now simply head over to your chat section. Once you're in this page, move into the inbox of the person that you want to open the photo message. Right over here, you can see the photo message has been sent by this person. Click on it in order for you to open it. You cannot screen record due to the privacy of this person or Instagram. So once you have opened, now you can go back. Now if you leave this chat and go back to the previous page, then you will not be able to reopen the photo message. You can only reopen the photo message by staying in the chat itself. Let me show you the next one. Click on it for it to open. Once it has been opened, now if you go back, if you want to reopen it, all you gotta do is tap on it once again. And there you go, the photo message has been reopened. So this is simply how you can reopen photo messages on Instagram. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.